is there and here alias is there, right? So what alias want ikkada alias unnadu. Okay, this is Bob and this is Alice. Now, Bob want to send some text to Alice. So what he is doing is, he is taking a plain text, which he is encrypting with his own private key. Now, what do you mean by his own private key? A key which is known to only himself. It is not known to others. A key which is known to only himself. So, with his own private key and using this encryption algorithm, he is converting a plain text in cipher text and he is sending. Now, this will be received to Alice. So, ikkada Alice, what he will do? He will perform a decryption algorithm with the help of. So, ikkada dentone decrypt cheyalamma? With what you have encrypted? You have encrypted with sender private key. So you have to decrypt with sender public key. I already told. Public key is known to everyone. Okay. Now, if you are able to encrypt with public key of the sender, then what is the meaning? ఇది ఎవరు పంపించారు, ఎన్క్రిప్ట్ చేశారు, ప్రైవేట్ కీతోనే ఎన్క్రిప్ట్ చేశారు. So who has this private key? Only the sender. No other will have the private key. So you will get authentication that this is done sent by Bob only, because it has been encrypted by his private key. Since his private key is not known to anyone, then it is a confirmation and it is a meaning that he is a valid person. So you are authenticating him. Alice is authenticating based upon the Bob's private key. So ఒక పబ్లిక్ కీ తో డిక్రిప్ట్ చేశారంటే ఏంటిది? ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఎన్క్రిప్టెడ్ విత్ సేమ్ ప్రైవేట్ కీ అన్నట్టే కదా. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఎన్క్రిప్టింగ్ విత్ ప్రైవేట్ కీ, ఇట్ కెన్ బి డిక్రిప్టెడ్ విత్ పబ్లిక్ కీ. If you are encrypting with public key, you can decrypt with same person's private key. There is no other option. So this gives authentication. So Alice gets confirmation that this message transmitted ciphertext was sent by Bob only, because ఇక్కడ ప్రైవేట్ కీతో ఎన్క్రిప్ట్ చేశారు. వీడి ప్రైవేట్ కీ అందరికి తెలుసు కాబట్టి వీడి పబ్లిక్ కీతోనే డీక్రిప్ట్ చేశారు. So it is a confirmation and it is a verification process that the person sent by Bob only. Message was sent by Bob only. This is authentication. Right? But what is the problem with this method? That is, whenever you encrypt with your private key and it transmit via the communication medium, what is the problem? Because my private key is with me only, ma. It is not known to anyone. So I will do some encryption and I will send. Because my public key is known to everyone. సో ఎవరైనా సరే డీక్రిప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. దీంట్లో ఉన్న డ్రాబ్యాక్, ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ అథెంటికేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎన్క్రిప్ట్ విత్ ప్రైవేట్ కీ అండ్ డీక్రిప్ట్ విత్ పబ్లిక్ కీ. ఫర్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ ఎనీ సీక్రెన్షియల్ ఆర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వీ విల్ బి యూజింగ్ సమ్ అదర్ మల్టిపుల్ మెథడ్స్. ఓన్లీ వీడు వ్యాలిడ్ యూజరా కాదా, నాకు వచ్చే అతను నేను అనుకున్న gives clarification that he is a authenticated, he is a verified user. And a verified user means he is that actual person only. Right? So this is authentication. Now, as I told you that whenever I say privacy, authentication is done, but there is no confidentiality. What do you mean by confidentiality? That can be decrypted by anyone. Because my public key is known to everyone. When I encrypt with my private key, it can be decrypted with my public key, which is known to everyone. Everyone ante who are all involved in the communication. Okay, so that's why I will be using some double method. So that is double method is which consists of secrecy, that is confidentiality, and at the same time it consists of the authentication. Both things will be available here. See here how you are going to. This is person A and this is person B, right? Now this is the actually message. Okay, so now using a encryption algorithm and using my private key. Remember ma, K ante key, R anante private, kinda small a undi kada, endukante veedi peru A, source peru A kabatti. So this is KRA. K stands for key, R stands for private key, small letter stands for sender name. So sender name is A. So KRA means he is converting with his private key encryption algorithm, right? So and with the encryption algorithm means encryption algorithm and my private key, I am sending this data to next level. So again in this next level, I am performing one more encryption process. And here double encryption and double decryption should be done for the purpose of confidentiality and authentication. So since I am encrypting with my private key, this is called as authentication. Next, after encrypting this, second method I am again encrypting with B's public key. ఇందాక ఏస్ ప్రైవేట్ కీ, ఇప్పుడు బీస్ పబ్లిక్ కీ. రిమెంబర్ KUB. K stands for key, U stands for public key, B stands for destination and name, KUB. I am again encrypting with my public key. So then finalized message I am sending it to B. So here finally how many two encryption has taken place? Encryption 1, encryption 2. First encryption is done with my public key, I mean A's public key. First encryption was done with A's private key. Second encryption was done with B's public key. Next, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత సో లేటెస్ట్ గా ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ దేంతో జరిగింది? B's public key. So when you encrypt with B's public key, with what you can decrypt? You can decrypt with B's private key only. So this B's private key you will perform decryption process. So ikkadiki vachesi next, once you come here, with what you can, just a minute no? So you have to decrypt with what? First encryption దేంతో చేశారు? With A's private key. Now you have to decrypt with A's public key. So here you are getting both confidentiality and at the same time both authentication. Authentication why? It has been encrypted with A's private key. Kabatti B gets confirmation it is A only. Confidentiality enduku? Here you can decrypt only with your private key. Nobody has your private key na. That's why this can be called as a confidentiality, both secrecy and authentication, both things will be available using this method. So this is secrecy and authentication method. So I'm just trying to explain you what are all the various types of keys and how you are going to use those keys. That too majorly about private and public keys. Right? So your RS algorithm is completed. So this is about the basic introduction to your keys concept, right? So since this is the first class, I don't want to disturb you more. So please proceed with your attendance. 16 series. ఎవరైనా ఏ సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఏ సెక్షన్ ఎనీబడి దేర్?
18 series 503 sir.
Okay. ఏ సెక్షన్? ఇంకెవరు లేరా?
18559 sir. 559.
ప్రకాశ, ఆనంద్ ప్రకాష్.
Yes sir.
Next.
18 series 44 sir.
18 series
44.
Okay, Rakesh.
522 also sir. 522.
532.
మీ అఫీషియల్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి నుంచి లాగిన్ అయ్యి చెప్పాలి. అగైన్ అదర్వైజ్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్. నెక్స్ట్
532 sir.
541 sir.
32
41.
Yeah, Sharanya.
528 sir.
28 Harshita, right. Anybody else in A section? So go for B
17
section.
series 5C4.
Huh?
17 series 5C4 sir.
5C4 Arun Paul. Okay. Next B section one. Anybody?
561 sir.
561 Haripriya. Right. Next
562 sir.
series.
560
2 sir.
Dharani. Next
563 sir.
Lalita. Right.
520.
520.
566 sir.
5 sir.
566. Okay.
67.
65. Okay, next.
570 sir.
Geetanjali, right.
565 sir.
65 Vinod, okay.
571 sir.
Raghavi, right.
578 sir.
570
78 ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్తారా?
77.